we decided to remodel our 1957 half bathroom and turn it into a full bathroom. On the other side of the left wall are 2 closets that serve 2 bedrooms. The closet area is going to become a walk-in shower. So we demolished both closets and the bathroom completely down to the studs, and we just opened up this whole area. It was such an amazing feeling, and the area just felt so huge. So then we closed the walls in each bedroom in preparation for building our new bathroom. After completing all of the drywall work and some painting, it was time to work on the new walk-in shower. We started with Go Board and applied Mape waterproofing. And next came tiling. We used hexagon porcelain tiles on the floor, and on the walls we used large Subway ceramic tiles with Schluter edging. We used glass mosaic tiles to accent the shower and the niche. And on the shower floor, we used hexagon mosaic porcelain tiles. The vanity came from IKEA, and the sink came from Lowe's. So, are you ready to see the finished project? I love dragons, and I have had that dragon wall lamp for years, and I knew I had to use it in my new bathroom remodel. And I decided to use it as an inspiration for the whole bathroom. I found the dragon tiles from an online artist, and they were just perfect touches for the bathroom. We cut out the middle of the Subway tiles and inserted the dragon tiles into it. We also added the glass shower door that we got from Wayfair, and it even opens both ways for convenience. Tell me what you think, or even tell me what your next project is below in the comments section. Also, do you want to do it yourself too? Pick up a copy of our new home improvement book, What's Wrong with My Bathroom, with step-by-step instructions on how to build your dream bathroom. Go to our website, checkcraft.com or what'swrongwithmybathroom.com.